Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Canva link. First, open the design you wish to share within your Canva account. Look for the prominent Share button, typically located in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Clicking this button will open a menu with several sharing and download options. This is your gateway to easily distributing your creative work to others, whether for viewing or collaboration. Once the Share menu is open, you'll see options like Share a link. This is what you need to generate a unique URL for your design. You can then choose the access level for anyone who receives the link. Options typically include can view, can comment, or can edit, giving you precise control over collaboration. Make sure to select the appropriate permission before copying the link. After setting your desired permissions, simply click the Copy Link button. This action will automatically save the unique URL to your clipboard, ready for you to paste it wherever you need. You can then share this link via email, messaging apps, or embed it into documents. Anyone with the link will gain immediate access to your Canva design, adhering to the viewing or editing permissions you established. Always double-check the permissions you've set for your link to ensure you're sharing it appropriately. For instance, a view-only link is ideal for final presentations, preventing unintended changes. If you need feedback, a can comment link works well. Remember, you can always revoke access or change permissions later if needed. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.